and one's learning to skateboard. Are you stuck? Whoa. I think we have a little skateboarding Betty in the making.
I can't, Mom.
It looks like a really good orange, bud. Everybody's trying to figure out skateboard.
Choo-choo.
Is it like a choo-choo? Except it's called a skateboard. What do teachers say skateboard?
Skateboard.
Come on, you can figure it out. Come on, lady. No, we're tired now. All right. See you later.